Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on internal cleaning and maintenance of your device. Today, we will detail the necessary steps to ensure optimal performance. Let's dive in. First, gather your tools. You will need a precision screwdriver set, specifically including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. Compressed air canister for dust removal. Isopropyl alcohol and microfiber cloth for cleaning surfaces. Anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage. A small brush for tight spots. Before starting, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Attach your anti-static wrist strap to avoid any electrical damage. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice before proceeding. Now, let's open your device. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws organized. A magnetic tray can be incredibly helpful. As you remove the panel, gently lift it away, taking care not to force it. Once inside, you might notice dust accumulation around the components. This is where your compressed air canister comes in. Hold it upright and blast the air into the crevices to dislodge dust. Be mindful of the fans, you may want to hold them in place to avoid damage. Next, take your microfiber cloth and lightly moisten it with isopropyl alcohol. Wipe down the internal surfaces to remove any grime or fingerprints. If you encounter stubborn areas, use your small brush to gently scrub. After cleaning, it's crucial to ensure that everything is dry before reassembling your device. Take a moment to inspect the internal components for signs of wear or damage. If you find anything concerning, remember that we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Now, let's reassemble the device. Carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened appropriately to maintain the integrity of the device. Once reassembled, it's time to power it back on. Monitor the performance to ensure everything is functioning properly. Regular internal cleaning can greatly extend the lifespan of your device. If you find that you lack the tools or knowledge to perform this task, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home. You can avoid the hassle of no calls, no travel, and let us handle the details for you. In conclusion, maintaining your device through regular internal cleaning is a straightforward process that can yield significant benefits. With the right tools and a little patience, you can keep your device running smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.